Hello my friends, today we're going to be talking about what to do with your 401k when you're leaving a job. Because I don't know if you realize this, but if you do it wrong, you could lose all of it or be hit with some major fines. Now you could have to leave your job because you got a better job offer elsewhere, and in that case, congratulations man, good job. Or it could be because you got laid off, and in that case, I'm really sorry. In either case, we don't want you to lose all that money you sacrificed to save away for retirement. So today we're going to break down your 4 options for what to do with your 401k when you're leaving a job, and I'll outline the pros and cons of each. Your first option is to straight up withdraw the money, and this is generally a pretty bad idea unless you urgently need the cash right now. If you have a traditional 401k and withdraw early, the money will be taxed at that year's tax rate, plus you'll be hit with an additional 10% early distribution tax, unless you're over the age of 59 and a half, permanently disabled, or meet any of these criteria for an exception to the IRS's rules. If you have a Roth 401k, you can withdraw your contributions and not the profit without a penalty, assuming you've had it in there for at least 5 years. But this is still not ideal as you'll be taking a big chunk out of your savings. A better option is number 2, roll over your 401k into an IRA. Now I know that sounds a bit like alphabet soup, but bear with me here. An IRA is an individual retirement account, and you can take your money from your company 401k, and as long as you move the money to your IRA in less than 60 days, you won't have any negative consequences. This can be really good if you don't have another job lined up immediately, or if you're planning on leaving your current company to work for yourself. This can also be good if you want to make more specific or customized choices about how your money is actually invested. 401k plans offered by employers tend to be pretty generalized, and if you're in charge of it, you can be much more specialized in how you invest your money. Now there are a bunch of rules with how to do this, so ask one of the professionals at your bank what the proper steps are and they'll help walk you through it. Your third option is to leave your 401k with your old employer. Many companies will let departing employees keep their 401ks with the company. You just can't make additional contributions to that 401k, which makes sense, you'll be doing it at your new company anyway. The big con here is that as you switch jobs over your career, you can leave a trail of 401k accounts that could be hard to keep track of. And if you misplace or forget even one account, that could lead to be a really expensive mistake. The fourth option is to move your 401k to your new employer. Like with rolling it over in an IRA, you get to keep all of the tax advantages using this plan. And whereas an IRA gives you more customization, if you aren't super comfortable with that level of autonomy, moving it to your new employer is really nice because that means that somebody else will manage it for you. Now before we get to which option is best, you should know that there are some details and caveats to consider here when you're leaving a job. If you have an employer match, you will need to check if they have a vesting schedule or policy like that. A vesting schedule is essentially a time frame for when the money truly becomes yours. For example, take this. If you put $10,000 in and they match the $10,000 and it's on a 4-year vesting schedule, that $10,000 they gave you is all yours if you stay for the 4 years. If you leave after only 3 though, you'll only get $7,500 or 3/4 of the amount. With that caveat out of the way, let's talk about which of these options is best. Well, option 1, we take the cash out now, is obviously an option of last resort and we should probably avoid this. Option 3, leaving it with your old employer, just makes your life and your investments more complicated than they really need to be. So I would recommend going with option 2, rolling your 401k over to an individual retirement account, or option 4, moving your 401k to your new employer's 401k plan. The specifics of which of the 2 of these you should really pick are pretty individualized, and you'll know based off your own personal circumstances which is best for you. Now, if you guys found this video informative and want to learn more about the world of personal finance, consider clicking on this playlist. Or if you like my straightforward, no clickbait, happy approach to personal finance, I think you'll like the videos that are coming up over the next couple of weeks. So consider clicking that subscribe button right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.